Hello guys, so today we are talking on Deep Life Cam. Deep Life Cam is a type of deepfake software. You can use it for prank calls, you can use it for content creation, and so on and so forth. So you have two options when you want to install Deep Life. Okay. First of all, you can use the open source on GitHub. This is the page, and this link will be included in the description of this video. And secondly, you can use the portable version. The portable version is straight and more simple to install. So today on this video, we are going to be using the portable version to show you how to install Deep Life Cam and a very simple look into how Deep Life Cam works. So first of all, I already have it downloaded on my first of all, I already have it downloaded on my system. So this is the zip file. First thing we'll do is to unzip it. So I'm unzipping with WinRAR. You can unzip it whatsoever, but I'm unzipping WinRAR. So while we wait for this to unzip, this will be our sample photo. As you can see, it was just downloaded into the system for sample. So this will be for sample. This will be our sample photos. Once again, this video is strictly for educational purpose. It is strictly for educational purpose. You should know that these things are out there. You should be careful about these things. So let's go straight into the video. We are done with our unzipping, so it is very easy to use. Like I said, first thing, go into the folder you are just unzipped, not the zip folder, the folder you just unzipped. So you come to the folder and you see start portable NVIDIA. You click on start portable NVIDIA, you run it, then you wait for it to load up. You don't have to type anything inside there, you just wait for it to load up. All right, very good. So this is it. So the very first thing, basically on Deep Life Cam, you only need two buttons. Basically, you need two buttons. You need the select face and you need the live. Now, if you want to start editing and start doing some extra things, that's when you need the FPS, that's when you need the frames, and so on and so forth. But for basic usage, you need the select face and the live. So we are going to start with the select face. And once you click on select face, this prompt comes up. You click on OK, then you click select face. You can also use the select a target, but select face and live is basically what you use. So after that, you click on live. Once you click on live, you observe that a small window try to pop up here. And as of now, the light of my camera is on, so I know it's coming up. But this window is what you are expecting to show up fully. So it's going to show up, and it's going to show up with the swapped face. Very good. So basically, it is as simple as this to use. This light I'm using right now is on. The light that's coming from the room. So adding more light to illuminate whatever result you are getting. Adding more light to illuminate it. So maybe you are done here. The next place you have to go to is OBS. You go to OBS. Very good. So this is what we're having in OBS right now. It's not supposed to be. So you can just come and say transform, fit to screen. But if you are wondering how we got here for OBS, I will delete this. I will remove it. I will start. Then I'll click on window capture. Click on OK. Then there's a preview here. Select the preview. Then click on OK. Then come here and click on transform, fit to screen. Very good. So you can click on start virtual camera here. Or you want to connect to your other apps, click on start virtual camera. So basically this is it. This is it for Deep Life Cam. Now, this laptop that I'm using to run this is a machine on let's check the NVIDIA control panel. This is what it's on. Intel Core i9 feature. This is a machine. Although there are bigger ones, there's the 4090, there's the 4080, there's the 50 series now, which the list is, and the list of, I think the list 50 series 80 gig dedicated 5050. Yeah, so there are more laptops. So if you need laptops like this, you can also send us an inquiry at GJ Gadgets. Also, if you need more insight on this software, you can also send us a DM at JJ Tech. Our Instagram, our Telegram, our WhatsApp will be in the description of this video. Also, if you need the portable version of this file, it is also in the description of this video. The download link is in the description of this video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And also, don't forget, the more, if you need more power on your deep life cam, if you need more power on it just now, like this now, as it's going, as it's answering me, if you need more power on it, you need to put your what's it called, your, you need to put your laptop to a charger. It gives it more power. If you observe before now, it was kind of slow, but immediately the charger comes on it, it is better. So you can send us a DM, and you can send us a DM. Thank you for watching. Once again, this video is strictly for educational purpose. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.